How did that guy got there?
Easy money. Oh god! That person just flew in. Got him. Yay, I got a kill.
Potion of degeneration. I'm going to die.
Let's be the actually I do like
wanna be tank.
Go to the rainbow, guys. Go to the rainbow.
the rainbow. Okay, I'm on my way.
Where is it?
I can't elytra over there. I'm at a low point. I can't.
There's a burb. There's
Oh
a
my
burb.
god, I killed someone with an iron sword. Okay. I need a regen, please.
Blind attack!
Wait, what is Q's name again?
Immolation.
Oh, okay. I just got knocked off. Okay, so I'm
Oh,
all
if
the way
you
down.
Ouch.
right click, I think it's right click. Click the button that you would use to what is it? Block. Use out, and you can like choose where you want to spawn.
Oh, that's cool.
No, it is.
Alright, now I'm trying to head up to the rainbow.
I want to kill someone, but it's not working. I haven't killed anyone now.
I killed 3 people this whole entire time.
Getting far.
Hey Arden. Where are you?
Swoosh.
Stop, Terron.
I'm not Arden.
Stop.
Hey, 1 point. Okay,
Ow.
sorry.
I have 154 hurt.
Shh, everyone shut up.
Yeah. Boss fight.
There's more. No.
I beat it! Yes!
GG!
Oh my god!
GG. What did he beat?
What did he beat?
A blast furnace! Oh my god!
GG!
Oh my god, daddy!
Oh
Oh,
shit, cool boom. That must feel really good.
oh that feels great!
You know
Oh
what
my
feels
God.
better? I have
GG.
154 hertz. That's what feels better.
150.
Oh, someone just like is spawn killing at the top, by the way.
I could probably beat that in 1 attempt with like
I'm at
154
one end of
hertz.
the rainbow, so I don't know what to do now.
Mia, Sammy,
Hey,
Ow.
did you have 60 hertz when you beat that? Or
Heck.
oh,
You know what
GG,
matters.
Cool boom.
I fluked 72 to 100. Oh my god! I'm so
Oh
happy.
yes.
Oh my
GG,
God.
cool boom. GG.
GG.
I'm shaking.
Oh, yeah, correct.
Got him.
Oh my god.
What's that level called? I'm gonna beat it right now.
Blast furnace.
There's actually people going after me.
Oh, okay. Oh, thank the Lord. Okay. Okay.
Wait,
Oh
Q,
my
where
God.
are you gonna spawn?